EV running for 365 days. This is day 135, and today we are looking at the Spanish listening section of the Spanish IB exam. So, this is essentially where you sit in a room and an audio plays for three different texts, text A, B, and C, and overall it was challenging but doable. So, it's definitely some parts were hard. I actually found text B to be kind of surprisingly difficult. Or, no, sorry, I take that back. I'm thinking of the reading, but I definitely found certain parts to be difficult. But overall, I think we did well, and I'll probably maybe get a 5 or 6. And to represent, I'm going with a microphone, which pretty self-explanatory, nice and simple, and also kind of reminiscent of the Spanish verbal, which is kind of the IA portion of IB Spanish. But yeah, with that, check in tomorrow for day 136.